Well, look what we have here, folks. A brand spanking new 2022 KZ Connect. This is the 251 BHK. One super slide with corner bunks. An outside kitchen, mini fridge, grill, solid steps, outside speakers, LED lights, power awning. We have it out slightly because it is fairly windy. We have a spare tire in the back. It is prepped for a backup camera. Take a look at that big slide, folks. You like that laminate exterior finish. Asdel composite finish. These KZ Connects come with a factory 2-year warranty. Let's go in. Did I mention the solid steps? How about the doggy leash latch that doubles up as a beer opener? How about the climate package? There's that 2-year warranty. All right, so you're wondering maybe about the dry weight. It is nice and light, just under 5,900 pounds. 5,900 pounds, that is. Take a look at this. Nice big U-shaped dinette. Of course, that does convert into a bed. We got windows within the slide. Fireplace that does throw out some heat. We got a TV already there. It does swivel out. Stove, 3 burners, Furrion microwave. Lots of nice storage. Look at the beautiful countertops. Love that window up here on the fireside. Yeah, that's a very big stainless steel sink. This is prepped for a King Connect, so if you do want to boost your Wi-Fi within the campground, you can do that. Skylight in the kitchen. Nice big 12-volt fridge. Bigger than most. Up front. The nice bedroom. King size bed. Automotive style front windshield. We got USB connections, power connections on both sides. Up here is a great spot to mount another TV if you wish to do so. Nice solid door here for privacy. Kids, I forgot about you. Double bunk. Double bunk. Up to 500-pound capacity. Storage down low. And right when you walk in, you do have this awesome large closet with a motion sensing light. Let's not forget the bathroom. Hello, bathroom. Medicine cabinet, window nice and high. Bigger than most stand-up showers. Do you hear that? That's porcelain, folks. Very, very nice. I'm going to nickname this one here the Forgotten Child. This does come from our sister location. Accidentally forgot to put it on the website. Out in the back lot. Kind of forgotten about, but that's okay. Because this is priced under $56,000. I can't believe it. Please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Get some multiple payment solutions for you. We can finance this up to 20 years. So a very, very low bi-weekly payment. Bye for now.